I don't want her to come around.
Text me, she'll go, you home. That makes me think he's here somewhere.
Oh, what? That's okay.
Babe, make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down.
What if this like
Don't wait around for a second now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6? You wanna down in the 6?
Just saying, if you make some food, what you
You said
need.
I'll probably send you some pics. Hell no, been waiting too long.
You need some water, and that's it.
I want that cruel
So,
love.
you want to add your flour first.
Been waiting too long. Hell no,
This is going to go everywhere.
body in my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body in my,
Oh my god.
finding all my innocence. Yeah, body in my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body in my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body in my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body
What I have about that much in at the moment. Don't mind the ducks, okay? So you want to circle the amount and leave Dad? Is it autumn? Anyway, so you want about the amount of flour to water. So I'm just going to add a little by little. Oh wait, no, I want to add the food colouring is optional. Also, we're going to add all these at the end to see what it does. So, yeah. We're going to do yellow.
when I leave for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. I'm like, hell no,
Bye!
waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cruel love.
Okay, it's becoming really hard.
Been waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cruel love.
What's this up?
Body in my,
And then you want to throw it on.
body in my,
Stir it, and then you'll add it.
body in my.
So this is what, if you can see, like it's clumping like that, you know what I'm saying? And then we're going to add a little bit more. See how it's like getting hard like that? You see that? That's what we're making, okay? And you want to pour a bit more. So, what the hell? Bit more. So this is the texture that you want. When it's like that. Okay, this is getting really hard to mix in now, mate. And I used about 250 mils if I use all this. Oh, I'm filming, by the way. Just go away. Oh, well, I didn't tell you from around, did I? Okay, sorry about that. So it's like that. Oh my god! But it's not something messy, so you won't. Oh my god. It's not actually funny. This is due on Thursday. So I just need to mix this in somehow. Anything like this, it's a solid. And anything like that, it's a liquid. You can let it like liquefy in your hands and then squeeze it to make it hard again. And you can chuck it at ducks. If I'm actually, wait, should I? See if they eat it? Okay, we're gonna see if the ducks like it. Go! Oh my god. Ducks eat oobleck, guys. So that's how to make oobleck. So it's really hard to pull. I can mold it into like a circle. Look at that. These actually bring some up. It stinks, by the way. This stinks. See, and then you can let it like liquefy and then like squeeze it rock solid again. Let's try. And you can squeeze it and then it'll turn to rock. Oh my god, they're all being! So I've got some Orbeez and some Oobleck. So let's see when it's liquefied, all these will sink in. And it's got hard. Oh, did you see that? So they sink in, and when you do it hard, they bounce out. Short commercial break. Yep. And mold it into a ball, and chuck it up, and watch it liquefy in the air. Snap it in half. You can stretch it. No. You can chuck it up in the air. You can know your family members with it. Don't do that. That's mean. Thank you, that's all I need. Set up. Yeah.
Just to hit me like that.
Yeah. So if you want to make oobleck, there's no measurements. All you do is put it in, but like I didn't do any. So you put like some corn flour. It can be gluten free, like it's just corn flour, but you can't use flour. Don't know why. And why this happens, I do not know because I haven't done any on my side. I'll figure that out. Miss, I'm assuming A+. Thank you very much.